Here we go. You can rip it. You can rip it. Do you like paper? Do you like paper? Ooh. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, Henry. You don't put that in your mouth. You don't put that in your mouth. Nope. Nope, nope. Don't do that. No. No, no. No, no. 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 Let's open the presents. No, no. And go like this. Ooh, rip it. You want this tiny little piece of paper. Really? Look it. It's a box. Look. Hold on, Henry. Look it. Look it. Stop eating this paper. Oh, yay. Look at it's a car. In a box. Gonna sing in the microphone. Totally put it in your mouth. Watch this. Sing fa la 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 la. 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 Henry. Give me 5. Give me 5. Henry Peter Schmidt. Give me 5. Give me 5. I know one other thing that you love to see. Ready? Say happy birthday or Merry Christmas. Happy birthday, Jesus. That's what we can say. Merry Christmas, Daddy. We love you.